blessing do we need to be close to God?
That closeness to God, see, the concept of closeness to God in Sufism is about, clearing veils between you and God. So according to our concept, there are veils between you and God, and you can, no one can clear all the veils. So it is not possible to see, or God, like on a one-to-one basis. So just like I said something about enlightenment yesterday, there is no concept of enlightenment. There is only concept of closeness, and this closeness is relative. So there is no degree of final end as far as closeness is concerned. So till your last breath, you can make progress, and you can become more and more close. So it's, no one can say that I have now become the closest, and there's no further closeness which is possible. But having said that, you can reach that stage where the closeness is like, it's a very intimate relationship with God, and in that state, it's it's all about you and God. Everything else becomes meaningless, because the pleasure of that closeness is such that nothing else remains important in your life.
So the blessing does play a part on
Yes,
helping us on this.
yes. The blessings do help you to make progress and to become close, because it's all about, again, I'm saying the same thing. As far as an individual is concerned, it's only about your sincerity, which is your intention and your efforts. Okay, but then the rest happens only due to God's will and His blessings. And of course, when we talk about blessings, then those those people's blessings who are closer to Him help you. So when we go to the tombs, these are people who are close to Him, who are, they are called as friends of God. Awliya Allah, the term that is friends of God. So they have reached that level where they have become friends of God. So because they are so close to Him, therefore their blessings make an important, they play an important role in your spiritual progress.